Well, my people, but there again once more, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and one of the reasons why I'm presenting these videos to you is because they are being talked about on social media. So first things first, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show when someone took something that does not belong to the person, and what that person had done can be considered as stealing or dishonest. You see me I say? Now, in my point of view, the video will be recorded at a business establishment. That's what I'm saying to you. And I want to take a look at the video and tell me what I think about this situation or the video itself. Observe. Alright, so look at that person. Look what the person put down right there. You see what the person put down right there, so? Alright. Look. See that? Look, Now the person just seems to be distracted by something or so on. I don't know what. But the person seems to be distracted at some point. Watch it. See that? Look. Look at that person. Look at that female right there. Look. Look at that. Now, in my point of view, that is considered stealing. That is considered dishonest. Wrong. You see me I say, my people, I tell you, yeah, me say something set away. But hold on, I have another video that I'm going to present to you, and in a part of the video you can hear when a person say the word wallet, and it seems as if someone takes something in this video that does not belong to the person, and based on what the person take, there might be other things inside of that thing as well, because in the video you can hear when someone say the word wallet. Now take a look at the video and tell me what I think about this video as well. You see me I say, you have some dishonest persons out there. See, some dishonest persons out there. Anyways, look, listen, observe.
One.
Alright, just take notice of the person. No, well, two persons. Take notice of those two persons. But it's like at some point, both of them are going to walk away. Right? See it? Something leave right there. Here comes someone, put some type of bag over it. Watch what I go on. Watch the hands them. Watch the hands them.
Use me anymore. It's looking kinda. You can see right there. She's taking your wallet into a bag.
You see that? Slick move. Slick and totally dishonest move. Them things that me point out my people, So I hope that those two videos can bring some form of awareness. You understand me? Yeah, I have more videos I'm going to present to you. I just want you to tell me what you think about those videos that I just presented to you, and these that I'm about to present to you. Alright, so I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons. So may I say, and more I take a look at this video and tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the confrontation between those two persons. I think it will be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself and try to get an understanding as to what might have caused the confrontation itself. See? And please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video too as well, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Yeah, boss. Look the lady in the vehicle here. Watch. She blocking me. Look how come my vehicle here now. Right? She is blocking me right now. Right? She knew he won't let me pass. Look, I'm knocking on she glass. It's a cars all around here right now. And she don't want to let me pass. You understand? Here what to do. I don't take the number, right? If this lady don't let me move for me to reach to work, right, on time, right, it's to call the police right about now. Alright, boss? I make a video here for you. This lady don't even want me to move to come to your work right now. You understand? Hello, excuse me. Excuse me. I would like to pass, please. Hello. I would like to pass, please. Well, let me pass and go my way. You're just stopping me from reaching to my work. Nice lady.
Listen to me. The police station right there.
Shit, I hope you're getting all of this, right?
If you want to be ignorant and
nice.
I don't care who you
No. She ain't telling me morning. She like a grump telling me I in Tupac. Right? I done jump up. And who started first? Nothing my morning out your mouth. You across the road, they park there, park all day. You can't drive, Ross. I don't want to hear. I would like to go my way, please.
You know, me no mean for laugh, but all along the person I call to the person at the motor vehicle, and not until a harsh language used, that's when the person somewhat respond or reply. You see? Now I tell you, my people, we live in our world, yes, man. I tell you, we live in our world. Some people really get problem, eh? Now, if the person said the person want to pass, right? They just drive a motor vehicle, go up and make the person pass, man. You understand? Alright, there might be some reason why you do what you do, but come on, just to avoid certain confrontation, you just avoid it and just make the person go on. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, and this video is going to show how a person had been treated by police from within the country of Jamaica. I got the understanding that that's one of the reasons why the video is being talked about on social media, and this video is not really a long video. So in the video you can hear when at least one police officer said to someone, go in the vehicle. At one point the video shows how a police officer grabbed or held on to a purse. In the video you can hear a certain amount of persons saying certain amount of words, and go ahead take a look at the video and tell me what you think about the situation. Alright? Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Nobody not supposed to use the language at him. Don't give back the tough child. Let me get my phone. Let me make a phone call to my mother. Hello. No, don't man. Let me go there. Hey, come on, man.
Wow. That was rather hostile. You see me I say? I wonder what could have caused that. See? Alright, so people, I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show a motor vehicle that really need some heavy repairs. May I tell you the truth, viewers and subscribers? I mean, this motor vehicle, in my point of view, is in a bad condition. You see me I say? Me I say have some whole heap of damage on it. You see me I say? But the video also shows a police service motor vehicle, and you can see someone in the back of the police service motor vehicle, and you can hear at least one person saying certain words about the motor vehicle that, in my point of view, is in a bad condition. Then you see me I say, my people, I think I've seen this video before. More I take a look at the video and tell me what I think about this situation, and please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yo, I'm told them I'm on a gram, Mr. Slassy no to blow. When they carry him on a drive and the police here, they don't catch it. Who don't catch it?
Listen, people.
Yo, see gas tank there. See me? Since I can't find my feet back in the pan, you see me?
Let's see that video before the
nobody number when you can call. Oh, you get the gas, move fast.
Is there an engine there when the gas now?
Oh, you can't find junk, go straight to the engine.
Engine dog. This is a man can't kill it all.
Tony, come look at. DJ, come look at the man. A straight to the engine, man, can't kill it.
You know, the thing about it is, you know, driving a certain type of motor vehicle where look like that are in really bad condition, you know, me know say it against the law and so forth. Nobody should do something like that. You see me I say? But when I look at a silver lining still, no, that person have some form of knowledge about mechanic work, you know. Yeah, man, you know, so, you know, I want to hope that that person somehow can improve upon the knowledge that person have, and you know, find a good way out to make money out there, you know, in a good way, you know, legal way. May I talk about? You see what I say? Yeah, because that proves that that person or whosoever do the motor vehicle like that have some form of understanding about mechanical work or mechanics or how to fix a motor vehicle. That's in my point of view still. Yeah, my people, but I think I've seen that video before, and I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Let me know what you think about that video. Tell me if you see that video before, my people. You see me? I almost said before, I mean, like, you know, like yesterday or so forth. Like, how long ago have you seen that video before? Because I think I have. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.